Hey, what's up? Last week we posted videos about Redmi Buds 4 and Redmi Buds 4 Pro. You can watch them by the links in the description. Now I want to compare them side by side and tell you about differences. The new Xiaomi earbuds have not only different designs, but also specs and features. Let's start the comparison with the price. You know, at first glance, Redmi Buds 4 look more attractive because they cost only $32. It is very good price for the wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. As for Redmi Buds 4 Pro, they also support ANC, but their price starts from $54. However, we need to look deeper to really understand the difference between these earbuds. If we start talking about ANC, it should be said that Redmi Buds 4 supports 35 dB active noise cancelling, while Redmi Buds 4 Pro have 42 dB ANC. The Pro version has a higher level of ANC, and it really feels. They are much better at reducing noise for cars, subway, planes, and just the street noise. However, both Redmi Buds 4 and Redmi Buds 4 Pro support transparency mode and 3 levels of automatic ANC adjustment. In addition to better ANC, the Pro version of the earbuds has better sound quality. Redmi Buds 4 Pro are equipped with dual magnet dynamic driver of 6mm and 10mm. Redmi Buds 4 have a single 10mm driver. Thanks to the dual driver, the new Xiaomi earbuds provide 360° surround sound. Another big advantage of the Pro version is LC3 audio codec support. Redmi Buds 4 have only SBC codec support. However, please note that a smartphone should also support LC3 codec to get all its benefits. So just because of the better ANC and sound quality, it is already worth buying Redmi Buds 4 Pro. However, they also have other advantages. Let's talk about them. You know, I have noticed that Redmi Buds 4 Pro have lower latency in games, and there are no game mode on both earbuds. But the Chinese company says that latency of the Pro version is 59 milliseconds. There is no information about latency of Redmi Buds 4, but I think it is higher. Now you can listen and compare. Another advantage of Redmi Buds 4 Pro is the microphone quality, because the earbuds are equipped with a triple mic. Also, I think a design with stem affects the quality of the microphone. Redmi Buds 4 have a dual mic. Both of them support AI noise reduction for calls. Let's compare the microphones of the new Xiaomi earbuds.
Hey, what's up? I'm testing the microphone of Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4. You know, it is very hot now, so the fan works in my studio. It is quite noisy, but you are not supposed to hear the noise. Write in the comments what do you think about quality of the microphone.
Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone quality of Redmi Buds 4 Pro. Can you hear me well? By the way, I would like to take a moment and ask you to subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. Thank you. You know the size of the charging case, and earbuds of Redmi Buds 4 and Redmi Buds 4 Pro are about the same. But the Pro version has 9 hours of battery life on a single charge, and 36 hours of total battery life with charging case. Redmi Buds 4 have 6 hours of a single battery life and 30 hours of total battery life. I think this is because the Pro version uses LC3 audio codec and Bluetooth 5.3. Redmi Buds 4 have only Bluetooth 5.2 technology. As you can see, Redmi Buds 4 Pro have better active noise cancelling, sound quality, microphone quality, low latency, and longer battery life. Do you think it is worth paying more for the Pro version? I think so. By the way, I didn't tell you about the design of the new Xiaomi earbuds, because the dimensions of the charging cases are about the same. The earbuds are also equally comfortable, but Redmi Buds 4 Pro have a stem, while Redmi Buds 4 have an oval shape. In addition, Redmi Buds 4 and Redmi Buds 4 Pro have the same touch control functions and ear detection sensor. So in my opinion, it is better to save up a little money and buy Redmi Buds 4 Pro. However, Redmi Buds 4 are also very good earbuds for the price of $30. It is very difficult to find better earbuds in this price range. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!